if you don't have long-term care insurance, there's a very good chance you've had this thought. I know I really need to look into long-term care insurance, but I'll do it later. You know long-term care insurance plays a pivotal role in protecting your assets and ensuring one of the biggest financial risks you face. But who wants to go through the effort involved in purchasing a policy? And how many of us really want to pay an insurance premium? My guess is that none of you are raising your hand and saying, me, I want to. Insurance is like going to the dentist. No one wants to go, but we all know that we have to go. There's a price to pay if you avoid the dentist, right? You increase your chances of getting cavities, gum disease, and an unfortunate case of bad breath. There's also a price involved if you delay the purchase of long-term care insurance. Let's look at the reasons you'll pay more in the future than you would today. The first is you're not getting any younger. In fact, we're all getting older. And because long-term care insurance premiums are based on your attained age, you'll pay slightly higher premiums for each birthday that passes while you're waiting to buy long-term care coverage. Another thing is that plans get more expensive over time. More than likely, the exact same plan is going to cost more next year than it does right now. To keep up with the rising healthcare costs, insurance companies must increase their initial premiums on a regular basis. By the way, companies also change and update their plans every couple of years, and the rates for the new plans are typically higher. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that your rate as an existing policyholder will increase. That's a separate discussion. But if you're interested in that, because that is a fear that a lot of people have, there's an article that I wrote called Will My Long-Term Care Premiums Go Up As I Get Older, which you can find on my blog at blog.kimsnider.com. blog.kimsnider, all one word, .com. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. The third thing is that you'll need to buy more coverage. The rule of thumb is that you choose your policy's benefit amount based on the current cost of care. Because long-term care costs are increasing, you'll need to buy more insurance coverage in the future than you will today. And let me just give you some examples. In 2010, the national median rate for a private nursing home room is $75,190. In 2011, that price is likely to be almost $79,000. The additional amount of needed coverage will only cost slightly more, but over time, it can have a significant impact on how much you're going to pay for long-term care insurance. The fourth thing is that your rate class or insurability may change. Your rate class is important because it determines what your premium will be. Most long-term care insurance companies offer a preferred rate discount. Unfortunately, your health isn't guaranteed. You are only one doctor's visit, one illness, one accident away from increasing your premium or becoming uninsurable altogether. After you understand that waiting to buy coverage means you will pay more, the question becomes, how much more? We have a chart here that gives you an idea of the cost of waiting to buy long-term care insurance. If you take a look at this chart, you'll see that in this specific example, if you purchase a long-term care policy at age 50 and pay premiums until you are 80, the total cost of premiums is $71,400. If you waited 5 years and bought at age 55 and paid premiums to age 80, the total premiums would be $87,025. So waiting the 5 years would cost you an additional $15,625. If you wait 10 years, the additional cost is $33,260. One of the reasons people give for why they want to wait is they think it will be cheaper to pay a higher premium for a shorter period of time rather than paying less for a longer period of time. But as you can see, that's not the case. Even though you are paying premiums for a shorter time, they are so much higher that you actually spend far more money in the long run. Now is the best time to buy long-term care insurance. You will never be younger, and it's extremely unlikely that you will ever be healthier. If you're ready to buy or learn more about long-term care insurance, our team of long-term care experts at Snyder Advisors would be happy to help you. Just give us a call at 888-6-SNYDER. That's 888-676-3447. Or visit us on the web at snyderadvisors.com.